Welcome back to Day Behind the Scenes, a day in the life at Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's is a popular fast food restaurant chain known for its delicious chicken fingers, Texas toast, crinkle-cut fries, and signature cane sauce, while customers enjoy their meals. There's a bustling world behind the scenes that ensures the smooth operation of each Raising Cane's location. Let's take a closer look at a typical day in the life of the employees who work behind the scenes to deliver that famous One Love experience. Morning preparation. Before the doors open to customers, the dedicated team at Raising Cane's begins their day with morning preparations. The shift starts early as employees arrive to set up the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen crew readies the fryers, ensuring they are clean and filled with fresh oil for the day. They also check the supply of chicken, breading mix and other ingredients to guarantee there are enough to meet the day's demands. Team briefing. Once everything is set up, the team gathers for a morning briefing led by the shift manager. During this time, they discuss any important updates, review sales goals, and reinforce the company's values and customer service standards. This meeting sets the tone for the day, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and focused on delivering exceptional service. Prepping ingredients. One crucial aspect of Raising Cane's success is their commitment to using only the freshest ingredients. The kitchen team begins prepping ingredients, such as washing and cutting lettuce for salads, slicing lemons for the cane sauce, and preparing the toast. Each task requires attention to detail to maintain the quality that customers expect from Raising Cane's. Cooking and assembling orders. As the doors open and customers start to arrive, the kitchen team springs into action. They carefully bread and fry the chicken fingers, ensuring they are cooked to perfection and have that irresistible golden brown exterior. The fry cooks keep a close eye on the timing. Meanwhile, other team members assemble the orders, carefully placing the chicken fingers, fries, and toast into the signature Raising Cane's boxes. They drizzle the cane sauce over the chicken, paying attention to consistency and presentation. The focus is on maintaining a high level of quality control to ensure that every order meets the Raising Cane's standard. Customer service. Raising Cane's is known for its friendly and attentive customer service. Team members strive to create a positive experience for each guest. They greet customers with a smile, take orders accurately, and address any special requests or dietary restrictions. The goal is to make every customer feel welcomed, maintaining cleanliness. In the midst of a busy day, the Raising Cane's team continuously maintains a clean and organized work environment. Crew members regularly clean the fryers, sanitize cooking surfaces, and sweep the dining area to ensure a spotless atmosphere. This commitment to cleanliness is essential to uphold the company's standards and provide a comfortable experience for customers. Closing procedures. As the day winds down, the team prepares for closing. They clean and sanitize the entire kitchen, ensuring all equipment is properly cleaned and stored. Leftover food is carefully disposed of according to safety guidelines. The shift manager reviews the day's sales and performance, addressing any issues or successes with the team. Closing duties are meticulously carried out to set the stage for another successful day at Raising Cane's. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at a day in the life at Raising Cane's.